Alright, so this is what I have so far. It's just an iPad and 16 pads, and I've got some fight songs. So this is going for about 20 seconds or so, and then these crowds are shorter, like this one says goal. Big stadium cheer. This is a medium cheer. Okay, more of a boo. Alright, and this is a little bit sillier stuff, so I got like a witch laugh. A nice little Wilhelm scream. Some other crazy stuff. Some cartoon effects. Nice little toilet flush. And crybaby. Yeah, so it's all just some ideas, but that's what I'm thinking of. And again, it all just works right off the iPad. We can plug it in here to the PA, and it should be a good time. All right.